Deep in a lush green jungle, a group of animals lived together, but they were never truly united. Each animal did things on its own, never asking for help, never offering it. The elephant was strong, the monkey was fast, the rabbit was clever, and the crocodile was powerful, but they never worked together. One day, a terrible storm swept through the jungle, knocking down trees and blocking the river that provided water to all the animals. The smaller animals couldn't reach the river, and the bigger ones struggled to clear the fallen trees. Thirsty and worried, the animals gathered, wondering what to do. "We need to work together," said the wise old turtle. "Only as a team can we bring the water back." The elephant used its strength to lift the heavy logs. The monkey tied vines around them and helped clear branches. The rabbit and deer worked together to dig a new path for the water, while the crocodile used its tail to push the last obstacles away. As the river flowed again, the animals cheered, realizing the power of teamwork. From that day on, they worked together, proving that one team, one dream always wins. Moral: teamwork and unity lead to success.